Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion. Nutrition for body, mind, spirit, and sport. So when your boyfriend says, hey, I need a tutorial for your amazing chicken salad, you kind of say, hey, I think everybody needs a tutorial on how to make this amazing chicken salad. So it's very easy. All you really need are, I think it's 6 ingredients. So you need the chicken. Preferably it's something that you grilled last night or broiled, or it's already cooked. So now it's, you pull that out of the refrigerator. You have half an onion, mustard, mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and some kind of salad greens that you want to put with it. So I'm going to go step by step, and I'm going to flip you over, and hopefully you're going to see what it is that I'm making here. There's my plate, and here's my chicken. Actually, that's not the first thing I'm going to do. First thing is I'm going to take a half an onion and chop it up. So you're going to need a big knife. And I prefer having a big knife like this one, which is easier to work with. And obviously you want a sharp knife. Peel off some of these layers of the onion. And what I end up doing is actually cutting some slices in this way. And I learned this from some other video, that if you don't cut this part off, it's easier to actually use and work with your onion. So I'm going to go ahead and dice the onion. That's the easy part, right? So that's the dicing of the onion. Scoop it all into my nice little bowl. And yeah, it's not that little, it's kind of big. But that's probably just 1/4 of an onion. And then I'm going to take my 1 chicken breast, because it's only for me, but I'm going to go ahead and use that same knife and cut the chicken into slices, and then turn it sideways, cut it into smaller diced pieces. And who cares how even the pieces are, because I think the less even it is, the more homemade it looks, and I swear it just tastes better that way. So I think you'll see this whole thing doesn't take that long, and I probably should have looked at the video to find out what the amount is. Yes, I washed my hands, but I'm going to dump that into the bowl as well. Mayonnaise, and this time I have some real almonds. And it's about 1 tablespoon or 2 of mayonnaise. I know that doesn't... So there's your tablespoon or so of mayonnaise, where you can't really judge very well just that way. And then I'm going to take some Dijon mustard and put about 1 teaspoon of that in there. And then a little bit of salt. And I do use a Mediterranean sea salt. Then I'll take a spoon and a fork, mix it all together. And I think that's only taken like 2 minutes to do, right? So you can basically, that's the basis of the chicken salad, is putting those ingredients together. You can add some basil into it if you want some extra flavor. You can add some rosemary, which will give it a nice little kick and zing. But for the most part, there's the chicken salad, and all you got to do now is add in, you could do coleslaw, you can add in cucumbers, super greens, and put that in there so it's one big salad all together. Or you can just take some spring mix and put the chicken salad on a bed of greens. So if you have questions about how to make chicken salad and other tasty things for lunch, then give me a call. Joanna Hodorowska, Nutrition in Motion, nutrition for body, mind, spirit, and sport. Helping you find easy ways to make things from your leftover meats.